Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DKNG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways just to establish some context here. But very impressive movement on this one today. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, and since then it's now worked its way back up to where it has. Very nice movement, but that does bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $50 mark. Why is $50 important? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to actually happen, but let's say that the price comes down here to 50, behaves in that manner, and then continues on down. What would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart where it just was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And once again, in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as $50. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it is all about that purple line right now going forward, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, and the current value of that is, we'll call it at $51.60. So you want to keep an eye on that from the resistance side of things. But all in all, any angle you look at it, very impressive bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this bounce moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.